These shorts channels are like money printing machines right now. If you think making these videos is hard, take a look at this.
What if you spent 1 week fighting in Vietnam? Day 1, you step off the path for 1 second. The ground disappears beneath you. A hidden pit full of sharpened bamboo spikes, punji sticks, some coated in mud to cause infection.
I made this video completely for free, and in this video I will explain everything that you won't need to watch another tutorial. And what's even crazier is that in this niche, there are 3 secrets between a video that gets 30,000 views and one that gets 3 million views. And I'll tell you those at the end of the video. Now let's look at the steps. Step 1, find a video idea and write the script. Step 2, do the voiceover. Step 3, create the images. Step 4, turn the images into videos. Step 5, finish the edit and upload it to the channel. The real secret is actually here. Now let's start with the first step. First, copy the link of a video from one of your competitor channels and go to this website. Paste the link and extract the script. Then go to ChatGPT or another chatbot you like. Paste the script you extracted there and write this prompt. Analyze this video script in detail and be ready within this chat to write scripts in the same style, same length, and same storytelling tone and format. I will provide the video ideas. After GPT completes the analysis, it will tell you that it's ready. Then send GPT the most viewed video titles from competitor channels and tell it this. Analyze these video ideas and give me different video ideas similar to these. It will give you different types of video ideas and you can choose whichever one catches your attention the most.
Just checking on you. It's late.
I'm fine, just finishing this.
All right.
Anyway, now you have a video idea. Give this idea to GPT and ask it to write a script for you. Of course, it will give you a script. Now here I'm giving you the first secret, my friend. Write something like this to ChatGPT. This script is good, but I want you to update it a bit. I create a video for each new scene in the script, so give me scenes in a way that the video version of each one is highly engaging. Thanks to this, every new scene will help you keep the viewer on the screen, and in the middle of the video, they won't say, "What the hell is this?" The script is ready. The next step is doing the voiceover. I use 11 Labs for this, but you can choose whatever you like. Test the voices and pick one. I chose this one, by the way. And after pasting your script, download the audio. All right, now that is where things get interesting. Next, we need to create the images, but first, we need images of our bony friend. Go back to competitor videos and take screenshots where the character is fully visible. Then return to GPT and tell it this. The character in these images is our main character. Now I will describe some events and scenes to you, and you will depict the character accordingly. Our character is always in this skeletal appearance, and additionally, there is a transparent layer over him. This layer must be present in every scene. Sometimes the character may be wearing something, and you can show the clothing where it covers the body, but the bone and transparent layer appearance must always be preserved. The images should be realistic and in 9:16 format. I use GPT, but if you want, you can use Grok or Nano Banana. Now it's time to create each scene one by one, but maybe I should share the second secret with you here. I describe the scene to GPT and tell it to generate the image. For example, now our character is on a raft in the middle of an ocean, and GPT depicts it. But stop right there. Don't generate images by feeding GPT the script line by line. Read the script, imagine what visuals come to your mind, describe that to GPT, and let it generate the image for you. That way, you can think like a human. Wait a second, you already are human. What I mean is, since the viewers are human too, you can create scenes that match their expectations. Let's say the images are done, around 25 to 30 scenes. Now it's time for the video. Step 4, creating the video. You're actually pretty lucky here because with Grok, you can create close to 20 videos per day. If the limit is full, just open another email and try with that. Did that not come to your mind? Anyway, go to Grok, enter Imagine, and upload your image. Grok will already convert it into a video, but don't fully rely on that. After the video is ready, briefly describe in the text box what should happen in the scene. This way, you'll get much better scenes. Of course, all this effort isn't just to get 30 to 40,000 views. That's why we need a perfect edit. You can use any app you want here, but I'll be showing CapCut. Step 5. First, add the voiceover and the videos you have into CapCut. Then place the audio on the timeline and remove the silent gaps. But be careful because in some parts, leaving a pause is important. After that, add the videos in order and arrange them according to the script throughout the audio. And here, I think I need to tell you the third secret.
I was just checking if you are okay.
Dad, you don't have to listen to the secret, please. Yes, now review your videos and cut out the 3 to 4 most eye-catching scenes. Then place them piece by piece at the beginning of the video, because you'll use these in the hook section. After that, add background music and captions. And that's it. The video is ready. Finally, go to YouTube and upload it.
Get out of this stupid computer and come help me.
Okay, Dad,